Hi everyone, we're in the kitchen today and I have a special guest. His name is Michael. It's my oldest son.
Hello.
Hello, he came to visit. So today I just wanted to jump on quickly. I've been sampling two different kinds of recipes. They're keto zucchini, chocolate zucchini keto muffins.
Ooh.
One with coconut and one with almond flour. So you can see them, they look pretty good. So yeah, I'm just testing out some recipes. So I'll let you know which one works out. I was gonna get Michael to sample them for me. Oh my gosh, this cat. She does this every time. Okay. Every time I start talking to this phone, she comes up. I think she thinks I'm talking about her or something. Okay, I have another thing for you today. Oh, hello, Susan. Who's that? Oh, hi, Sue. You know who that is?
No.
John's cousin.
Oh,
Yeah.
hello.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Sue. Okay, so today I have a product that I kind of wanted to share with you guys. I've actually got my curls back. As you can see, my curls have started coming back, and it's all because of this shampoo and conditioner. So it's called the Naked Bee. I get it downtown at, it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be backwards, but I get it downtown at the quilting shop. Can you read there's no bad stuff in there.
None of the bad stuff.
None of the bad stuff, which is?
No lauryl sulfate, no laureth sulfate, paraben free, no propylene glycol, gluten free.
Sarah Borman's on. Sarah.
Hey Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hi.
No mineral oil, no EDTA, paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free.
Okay, so this is my new favorite shampoo and conditioner. I finally found something that is actually bringing my curls back. My hair is pretty puffy right now because I just did it. And then it also has like soap, hand repair, and lotion. And I love all these products. They're amazing. And the soap, the hand soap I bought the other day, Sarah says hi. Hi, Sarah. Come say hi and look at her. She probably is watching us. That's so cool. Okay, so good to see you. Do we know? Does she know that she's pregnant?
Does she know?
No. Does she know that we know?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm so glad to see you guys. Hi, guys. Okay, anyway. So, why don't you go try it out? It's really good stuff. I love it. Okay? So, that's kind of like my product review.
You gotta get this closer
Oh,
here.
Grace is
Hi Grace.
Oh, Grace. Hi,
Oh,
Grace.
I want to hear her voice soon.
Oh, yeah, me too. Can you send us a voice message? That would be great. Hey? Okay,
cool.
maybe we should try these. Okay, so Michael's going to sample these. I think it's pretty ballsy because I haven't worked on it yet. So, oh my gosh, which one's which? Okay, this one is the muffin with the coconut flour. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, it looks pretty good. It smells good. Okay. Oh, it looks a bit dry. Okay. It's going to be too dry, I think. Okay, I'm going to have to work on this. Oh, fryer truck. It's totally dry.
Fryer truck.
Fryer truck.
It's a little dry, but it's really good.
Too dry. But it's good, but it's not... Oh, my earring fell off. It's not holding together, right?
Yeah, what would you put in to change that?
I don't know. I know it's pretty chocolatey. Coconut flour absorbs a lot of liquid, and it can break apart.
Yeah, I can't make coconut flour stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually. I think I'm gonna have to do a mixture of flours for that one.
I tried pancakes once and they fell apart.
It's
Almond flour, these are?
So it's a coconut flour. But you know what we can do with this? We could crumble it up, and I could make a granola for the kids. What do you think? Okay, this is coconut flour. OMG. Who's
Georgie.
that? Is that Georgie? She's checking us out. Hey, Georgie. I got your man here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one looks better.
Oh, that's way better.
Yeah, this one's almond flour. I don't think I'm very good at coconut flour. Okay, it's much moister.
Ooh, that looks good.
That looks better. I don't even think we need any butter. Who doesn't love butter, though?
Oh, this is really good.
Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, shoot, this might be a winner. Okay, no more coconut flour. Mm. Oh,
This
yum!
is way better.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Okay, that's a winner. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, you gotta read it. Mmm. She loves us.
She wants some.
Oh yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they're so good. Oh yeah, they're keto friendly. Oh my god, that's really good. It's not too sweet either.
These are amazing.
Okay.
I'll take one home.
Oh yeah, I'll give you some. Okay, the coconut ones, no go. Shit, I made 2 batches, like stupid.
I wonder if you could put it on the bottom of a cake.
Mmm!
It's,
Oh, you're so smart!
would be good, no?
Oh yeah, I could crumble it up. Look at this. Oh yeah, and I could make it like a cake crumble.
Yeah.
Cut it down and then make a cheesecake.
Cheesecake, yeah.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay. We do well together. Okay, so we're gonna take these ones are a no-go, not good. So I'm gonna take this and make a cheesecake this week. I'll share that with you, okay? So, no, but these ones are yummy. They're so yummy.
Really good.
Yeah, we love them. And they're not too sweet.
No, they're perfect.
No, I like them. Okay, you guys, any questions? Does anyone have any questions? No? Okay, cool. 3 people on. That's awesome. Okay, we love you guys.
Bye, everyone.
I'm going to go spend some time with my son.
Bulletproof coffee.
We're going to have some
Hang
bulletproof
out.
coffee. I love you. And we're going to have some muffins. So, love you guys. Hey, go pick up some of this. Naked Bee. It's at the quilting shop downtown. I love it. And it smells really nice. Okay. Okay. Bye, you guys.